Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The square root of x, that is about x to the power of 1 over 2. And now this one multiplied by s and number 1. So we know that s, that is about number 1. So 1 plus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. So I will put 3 over 2 gone here, and we have 3 over 2 plus 1, we have 5 over 2. Similar for the second one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.